Welcome back to Master Glass. I'm your host, Livio. Today we were filming a long episode, and right in between, I think it was time for a great break. So I want to make you a cocktail that is 100% from Mexico, or I should say made with 100% Mexican ingredients. And to give us a little break, and also to talk about another very important ingredient from Mexico, which is corn. Now, the corn in Mexico is usually an ancestral corn. It's quite a bit smaller if it's what I believe is in these two products here. And it usually has this really nice, peppery, beautiful taste. I'm gonna go ahead and set this glass right here with the ice, let that temper a little bit. And my first ingredient here I'm gonna do is basically the Abasolo Whiskey de Mexico. I've tried this once. It's made from 100% ancestral corn. The way this corn is cooked is a very old and ancient method. The template that I'm using for the cocktail today is basically the template that you would see in a lowball. 2 parts of a spirit to 1 part of a liqueur. Something you would find in a rusty nail, in a Black Russian, in a Godfather, or in a Godmother, or any of those. But I'm gonna stir it up a little bit, so I'm gonna basically put it in the beaker. I have 2 ounces of the Abasolo, and now I have 1 ounce of the Nixta Liqueur de Elote. I hope I'm saying that right, Liqueur de Elote. All made, both of them, from the ancestral corn. Now, the flavors of this whiskey is a little, is sweet, but it's got a lot of little honey notes. I definitely love the oak aging that comes from the barrel that kind of enhances, right, those sweet, nutty flavors of the corn. And instead, the Nixta has a beautiful, sweet corn flavor to it that's really amazing. So I'm likening this drink a little bit, right, to a rusty nail. I'm gonna give this just about a 20-second stir, just like that. The reason why I'm making this style of drink is usually we associate, you know, the drinks from Mexico of being very juicy and very thirst quenching. Think of the Paloma, think of the margarita. I'm looking for something a little bit more boozy here. So right there, right over that cube in this beautiful lowball glass, I'm just gonna strain that cocktail in there. I'm gonna set this aside. I guess to keep it in the family, I'm gonna just go ahead and put a little dehydrated Mexican lime right on top. And there you have it. Super easy, 2 ingredients, 2 parts or 2 ounces of the whiskey, 1 part or 1 ounce of the Nixta liqueur. Let's give it a shot. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. The reason why I like it is I actually love the flavor of both of these products. I do find the Nixta does need to be mixed. It's got big flavors, right? Think sweet, peppery, nutty corn flavors. It does really well with some sort of a whiskey, and oh my, this is a perfect match. I'll just finish by saying that simplicity is the ultimate form of sophistication. Drop a comment below, let me know who actually said that term, and cheers to you, and hope to see you soon.